Hello students, today I am going to explain first chapter, the wise lesson, as I have explained half of chapter. That what is in the lesson, that there is a story of a rich man who lived in a village. He was very rich, but he was very humble, honest, sincere and respectful. He always helped needy people. Once in his village, a terrible famine broke out. There was a scarcity of food grains, so the rich man did not want to sell the grains because he wanted to help his villagers. But his sons requested him to allow him to sell the grains. At first, he was not agree, but on request of his son again and again, he allowed them to sell the grain at cheaper rate. Soon his sons sold all the grains at cheaper rate in a very short time. Now I will explain next. The rich man went to the goldsmith with the money thus earned and bought gold for it. What he have done? The money which he got by selling grains, he went to a goldsmith or bought gold for it. He got it molded into a brick. What he had done? He molded the gold into a brick with his name engraved on it. And what he had done? Engraved his name on that gold brick. He took his sons with him to the sea. He took his sons with him to the sea, where he threw the gold brick into the water. He took his sons with him near a sea and threw the gold brick into the water. His sons were very surprised and sad at their father's behavior and took him as lunatic. They reproached him and blamed that they were robbed of their wealth and made poor. Then what he had done? He threw the gold brick into the water. So his sons were very surprised and sad because of their father's behavior. And he thought that his father became mad. They reproached him and blamed that they were robbed of their wealth and made poor. He simply smiled at their words. When he told to their father, he just simply smiled in answer. Even other people remarked that the old man had gone mad, and other people who were there, they also remarked that the rich man became mad. He turned a deaf ear to all of them. After some time, he fell seriously ill. After some time, he fell seriously ill. Who fell seriously ill? The rich man. A physician came to him and prescribed mutton and custard pudding for his diet. Then what he prescribed him? Mutton and custard pudding for his diet. He felt a little better. Then he felt little better. After a few days, when he was feeling better, the physician prescribed him fish diet. Then physician again prescribed him fish diet. The rich man engaged a fisherman for 1 rupee per day to supply him with fresh fish every morning. That what rich man done? He engaged a fisherman for fresh fish every morning. He enjoyed it every day and started recovering steadily. Then what happened? Every day when he has taken diet of fresh fish, he started recovering steadily. One day, it so happened that the sea became stormy and the tides were fast approaching the shore when the same fisherman caught a big fish. What happened? One day, sea became stormy. Tides were very fast approaching the shore. So, the same fisherman caught a big fish. Curiously, he brought it to his master. He was very curious to got a big fish, so he brought it to his master, who was very pleased to see such a large fish. Then his master was very pleased to see such a large fish. He asked him to cut it in his presence, and then he told him to cut the fish in his presence. To the astonishment of all the people present there, the same gold brick with the rich man's name on it was found inside its stomach. What was the astonishment? That the same gold brick which a rich man has thrown in sea water, that was found inside fish stomach. At this, the rich man told his sons that they thought he had wasted his wealth by throwing it into the sea, but he had been all along quite confident to getting it back, as his money was earned honestly. Then what happened? At this, rich man told his sons, what he told? That they thought he had wasted his wealth by throwing it into the sea. Then their sons thought that they had wasted his wealth by throwing into the sea, but he had been along quite confident to getting it back, as his money was earned honestly. It means the money was earned honestly, so he was confident to get it back. All were pleased to earn the lesson of honesty, which was thus practically illustrated. All were very happy to learn the lesson of honesty. They always remembered him for his wisdom. The rich man too recovered in a short time. They always remembered for his wisdom, and soon the rich man recovered in short time. Okay, that's all. Now I am sending you some word meaning. You have to learn it.